Kardom, Nilimonjerong Pipi, Piniberta, Arjuponikta. Bangkri phoaw sumar atum kahelo adim kachong dadam pen akisung ke phonang pen ajok APH chalse atum pen kangthum keban la sonsi ili karbi akhe atum penang an kahelo adim kachong dadam atum doo lasi kacheri akenang sot bangnang ke hang pualingle kidun nangji kali la sonsi la bangkri pho akorti atum aphan poisa nang pipo kecho kijun ake joy lopu pen kachong dat kidun pen poisa ki pipedet pen ajok ahem chewang thek thedet lo la sonsi APH chalse asong atum pen kangthum keban hamren pen borson tiso Karbi Anglong news
Bini ning karong alam ajahago somar thedong han serong pen chiklion throk bagdolo dak pen kivir ason lo itungge kivir pusupulo kachong dat dam pomat la pen bang atum pondet lo la pen ajha tungge chiklo jon rachi tim lo ake ong nei ge derar lok pen la pen rong hidi pen la pen ajha ke thedong han serong lata halaswa area lo ge di halaswa hawar lo bodi la thedong han se ta dwaramla halake dwaramla pen thedong han serong ke la tum anta pini bang kripho kadove nilitum dak disi aphan lo pidam lo non ni kep baga prang la pen alang litum ha arjulong lo nili fancy telephone nangelu ajha katum directly la pen songjahan se songja rong hang bang alang li helo asar pilo songja rong hang bang ke songja rong hang elun ta lun thekser alang li phanta ha long klai pu adim pondet lo long klai ke ha chitagong adung lu lage mizoram aling dakwen bangladesh adung hadak pondet la sini tum kamatha ke matha itlu la tum phan ko pitong pan ka helu ke ponone ka chongdat pusita adungare ta chongdat long lang mizoram ke hadake tribal to mase jasemet our sai ke pi la hadake te boktere ta chongdat long sita alang litum phan ha long klai an ka hen lon nei si ke pon nitum kamatha la tum phan ako risim pi le po ha arlo ke do pa je plang le po pa pithi le po putong ke claim lo ne pilone itum son matha itlu amasi dc phan lo pipen dc sp phan police tum logai si ha long klai a dc la pen sp phan paching kisi dak pen inut mesen karbi amunit amri karbi amunit soros ingti assistant planning officer dak hamren si kam claim alang li pen aria sangho tum an dam si bus pen dam si police pen dam si alang li tum wan det
Karbi Film Society ahin pen pherang kyamai ke phapon Chitini phainer kep arni diphu tara langso Karbi People's Whole along Karbi Film Society ahin pen pherang kyamai ke phapon labang so amai ke phapon pining story hini rain kora hini aparman Karbi Film Society chongmai pimati ingdengpli Karbi Film Society General Conference non nangkeliji chitini phai kep arni pen chitini phai crazy arni tara langso along ningka nisek amai ke pado ponji aphan chisik chedang pon lopusi Karbi Film Society amephu Dhoniram Tisolapen Chunbang Dilip Bepen Pangdakpon Bangso Pherangke amayalong Karbi Film Society Advisor Chandra Singh Kro Lapen Mukrang Beke et Lapen Penang Anatum Pen Non Kevangji Arni Mesen Pen Pachun Ponji Aphan Pherangke amayalong Pachini Ponlu Labang Solong Alohiaman Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang MP Horen Singh Be MLA Dor Singh Ronghang Bidya Singh Ingleng EM Surjo Rongharatum Chetongdun
President, my name is Tuliram Tiso. Next is Mohol Singh Rongpi, our Vice President. Our Chandra Singh, everybody knows. He is here. He is a treasurer of our society. And our General Secretary Dilip P. And our Office Secretary Ram Kumar Peron. Yes. And he is Organizing Secretary, our Suresh Timo, and all our members sitting in panel. Now I would like introduction from your side. You represent which media? From which media actually I want to know actually. Can you I would like to thank all the media persons that, apart from your busy schedule, you have come here for our briefing. Anyway, laso a briefing ke thang da kali general conference Karbi Film Society general conference ini mau cap lapen tarik crazy. There will be a general conference of Karbi Film Society on 10 and 11 here in Taralang, September. And nothing, this is just a curriculum of our film society's activities. And every 3 years we used to have a conference like this, where our members, our office bearers is being changed, and if it is same person will continue, it will be a new one. So because of the COVID pandemic, it is being delayed last 2.5 years, so we cannot do it. And for that only we have called you for the wider publicity. We invited not only the members of this Karbi Film Society only, we invited all sections of the society so that they can advise us for our better exposure of our Karbi film, and good quality film is being made in this for the bigger exposure of outside Karbi Anglong. So only for that we have invited you all. And once again I thank you all. And any queries you want to make, that you can ask, so that our members, including myself, will answer and try to clarify the matters. So now you can start if you have any queries.
Minimum minimum 400 boleh. Kasi songbong pen hoitu abenai sabang haruthom bang ke sitong nang kusin. Lalu regional committee ni tu non malong trok lu. Lage daglo Dipu regional committee lo, lapen nihang Donsuri regional committee lo, lapen de Nilib regional committee, lapen de Dongmukak regional committee, Dokmoka lo, lapen de Dongkamukam regional committee, lapen Hamret, non mala long trok. Non magala long trok regional committee an sing sponsor.
HDP weekly market along market set anujok ke sompon. Chitini pioneer cap arni ada por phai cap apor malong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Executive Member Surjo Rongphar Arideng pen HDP weekly market along market set anujok ke sompon. Lapen kikim kerang tami pangcheng pon popusi than pachini pon. HDP Bajar Committee President Harlongbi Ingti Kathar Pentami Kachoro Pipajar Pon Lapuson HDP Bajar along Asonson Kaching Thur Asai Kedeng Pon Thegapon Son si HDP Weekly Market along 3 crore scheme tami Dengpon Etlu Kikim Kerang Sitami Pangcheng Pon Popusi Pen Pachini Pon Bang Solong Alo Hisarpo Atum Borjan VDC Chairman Sunaram Singnar HDP Bajar Committee President Harlongbi Ingti Kathar Sorkari Gaubura Lapen Penang Anket He Kiding Atum Chetongdun Borjan Pensar Gurube, Karbi Anglong News.